Okay. Good afternoon, students.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
So today we are going to study about the trigonometric basics. So let's come to this topic. So first we will take a right angle triangle. Yes.
Yes.
Can anyone name this triangle? Any name? Let's take. Yes. Okay. Let's take A, B, C. Can anyone tell me what is the hypotenuse in this? Which is the hypotenuse?
AC.
Right. Side AC is what?
Hypotenuse.
Hypotenuse. So hypotenuse means angle like side which is opposite to 90 degree. Yes.
Yes.
Hypotenuse means side which is opposite to 90 degree. Yes, as per our discussion yesterday. So let's take this trigonometric ratios. So we have studied this trigonometry already in 10th standard. It's just a continue for you all. So sin theta. So sin theta is what? Opposite upon hypotenuse. Opposite side upon hypotenuse. So let's take this. Consider angle C as 30 degree. What you will consider?
Angle C is 30 degree.
Okay. So let's take this. So can anyone tell me what is sin 30 degree? Sin 30 degree. Come on. What is sin 30 degree? As per the formula you are having.
AB by BC.
Yes.
AB by AC.
AB by AC. Opposite upon hypotenuse. Right? Next. What is cos 30 degree?
BC by AC.
BC by
AC.
AC. How? Because cos theta is adjacent upon hypotenuse. So you will take BC upon AC. Okay? Yes? Can anyone tell me what is tan 30 degree?
AB by BC.
AB by
BC.
Yes, which is sin theta by cos theta. Yes? Just the applying formula, nothing else. So let's revise this formula first. Formulae, sorry. Sin theta is
Opposite
opposite
side
upon
by
hypotenuse. What is cos theta? Cos theta is
adjacent side by hypotenuse.
tan theta is
Opposite side by adjacent side.
again tan theta is
Sin theta by cos theta.
okay. Everyone is clear with this formulae? Okay. Now this is like the ratio, like reciprocal. What is the reciprocal of sin theta?
1 by cos theta.
I told whenever we say that the reciprocal of sin theta means you will say sin theta is reciprocal of cosec theta. That's it. You will say cosec. Okay. So you will say sin theta is reciprocal of cosec theta. Yes. So cos theta is
Reciprocal of sec theta.
yes. Tan theta is
Reciprocal of cot theta.
again. Sin theta is
Reciprocal of cosec theta.
tan cos theta is
Reciprocal of sec theta.
sec. What you will say?
Sec
Cos theta is reciprocal of sec theta. Tan theta is
reciprocal of cot theta.
okay. So everyone is clear till here?
Yes.
Now come to our next point, that is identities. Okay. So here you have three identities. Sin square theta plus cos square theta equals to 1. Okay. Yes. And then you have 1 plus tan square theta equals to sec square theta. Next you have 1 plus cot square theta equals to cosec square theta. So it's just a rapid revision for you. So let's take these three. Okay. So like everyone must know this. Like it's very basic. Now let's take this one. So you have sec theta, like sec square theta. What actually I am doing? Just shift this here. So here it is positive, here it will become negative. And same this, it will become here negative. So I will write here sec square theta minus yes tan square theta, which is equal to how much?
1.
1. Okay. Yes. Next who is saying cosec square theta?
Minus cot square theta is equal to 1.
Okay. So everyone got this much? Yes. Now I will give you one small trick. See, everyone knows that sin square theta plus cos square theta, cos square theta equals to 1. Yes. Now what about this? How to remember this? See. Now I told that basically only in sin square theta and cos square theta there will be a positive sign. Yes, there will be a positive sign. But for this, these both, there will be a negative sign. What it will be? There theta minus tan square theta, which is equal to 1. Next, you can see cosec and cot. Here there is s in cosec and here it is t for cot. So cosec square theta minus cot square theta equals to 1. So let's repeat the formula. Say, sorry, this identities. Say, everyone.
Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1.
Okay.
Sec square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1.
Yes. Next.
Cosec square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1.
Okay. Now let's take the next thing. Okay, I'm writing here so that at the end you can pen it down. Okay. So let's take this small trick. Okay. What is this?
Quadrant.
4-quadrant system. Which is this quadrant? First quadrant?
Yes.
Yes. This is?
Second quadrant.
This is?
Third quadrant.
Yes. This?
Fourth quadrant.
Right. Now let's just see all sugar, tea, coffee. Okay? All sugar, tea, coffee. Yes? Now what is this basically? Now in first quadrant all are positive, all trigonometric ratios. What I will write? All
Trigonometric ratios.
trigonometric ratios are what? Positive or negative?
Positive.
Yes. Loudly. Positive or negative?
Positive.
Yes, it is
Positive.
So in first quadrant, all the trigonometric ratios. Tell me how many trigonometric ratios we have?
6.
6. So all trigonometric ratios in first quadrant will be positive. Yes, clear? Now in second quadrant, what will happen? I will write here. Okay. I will write over the let's take this here. Like in second quadrant, I wrote S. S means sine theta. So in second quadrant, sine theta is positive. Now can anyone tell me who is the relative of sine? Cosec. So means where sine will be positive, there cosec will also be positive. Simple. So you will write sine theta, cosec theta are
Positive.
positive. Clear? Yes, everyone?
Yes.
Yes or no? Is this clear? In second quadrant, I have written sugar. Sugar means S means sine theta. Sine's relative is cosec theta. Yes? So sine theta and cosec theta are positive. So in T, T means tan theta. Who is the relative of tan?
Cot.
Right. So cot is the relative. Cot theta is what? Relative of tan
Tan
theta.
theta.
I told you can say sine cosec brothers. Tan and cot brothers, cos and sec sisters. Okay, so these are what are positive. In which quadrant?
Third quadrant.
Now C for cos.
Cos.
Who is the relative of cos theta?
Sec theta.
Sec. Sec theta. You will pronounce. See the pronunciation. You will pronounce as sec. And for cosec, this is cosec. This is sec. Okay, see the pronunciation what you are pronouncing. Okay, cos and cos cos and sec are positive. Yes. So let's repeat once this, everyone. All sugar, tea, coffee. Say once again.
All sugar, tea, coffee.
Who is positive in first quadrant?
All trigonometric ratios.
Who is positive in second quadrant?
Sin theta and cosec theta.
Right. Once again.
Sin theta and cosec theta.
And for this?
Tan theta and cot theta.
Yes. And for fourth quadrant?
Cos theta and sec theta.
Okay. Now I will ask you one question. Sine is positive in which quadrant?
First and second.
Right. Cot is positive in which quadrant?
First and third.
Yes. First and third. Right. Cos?
First and
fourth. So everyone is clear with this?
Yes.
Okay. Now tell me, sine is negative in which quadrant?
Third and fourth.
Third and
Fourth.
everyone agrees? Yes. Right. So this is the basic which I have given. So let's